Then let's see what are sub-steps inside the texturing. In the texturing, you can see from this picture, the cube is the original model, so you have totally 3 sub-steps inside the texturing process. The first one is the UV mapping, and then you have painting, and the last one is baking. So let's see what are details inside. So for the UV mapping, the idea is when you have the cube, right, you try to extract the surface, every single surface of the cube or every single surface of your model out. And you try to lay it out on a 2D image. Because you are going to use the texture, which is the picture of the 2D image, you would like to find the relationship between the coordinate in the UV space, which is have X and Y or U and V, but you try to map it with the location on the 3D space, which is in 3D. Then you try to generate this map first, so we call it UV mapping. And the next step is the painting. The idea of painting is when you have every single surfaces mapped on the 2D space. Then we are going to paint or add texture, try to map colors onto those surfaces. Then you try to generate colors into it. And the last step is the baking. The idea of the baking is after you map all surfaces on the UV map back to your 3D space, next you are trying to do simulation. For example, the global illumination simulation. Then you pre-compute it and map it back onto the 2D image. So in that image, you can try to use it as a texture later, or you can use other software to generate a nice texture. And that is all the process in the texturing. Then let's see what is the UV mapping.